If your document is set to use the CMYK color mode, then you'll be able to preview the print separations within Illustrator. You can turn on Overprint Preview here in the View menu, and you can also open up the Separations Preview panel using the Window menu. This panel gives you access to the different separations that will be used to print out the final design. If you hold down the Alt key or the Options key on Mac, while clicking on a channel, you can view all or just the selected separation. CMYK, of course, will show all separations. You can also see any specific spot colors that might be in the document.